Hello, my name is Riley Melton, and I'm going to talk to you about recycling. What if we just stopped recycling? At first, we wouldn't really notice anything, but after a few decades, trash would start to pile up everywhere. Everywhere we looked, there would be trash. Piled up to our ears, we wouldn't even be able to see. This would happen because our landfills would fill up so fast. They already fill up very fast now, but after recycling, it would be impossible to keep them clean. The waste would soon transfer into oceans, causing very limited, honestly no travel in oceans. It'd be impossible to put a boat in, impossible to swim in. All marine life would die. And all this trash that builds up would emit lots of deadly and toxic gases into our atmosphere, eventually giving us carbon monoxide poisoning. We need to do more to ensure that this never happens to us. I'm going to talk to you about recycling and why you should do it and how you can make it easier so you can do it. Why should we? Why should we recycle? Recycling tackles climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Recycled materials can be turned and made into so many things, and this uses a lot less energy than cutting down trees and using fossil fuels. We can save energy for future generations. Recycling also prevents global warming by reducing energy consumption. Recycling reduces air and water pollution. Mining and drilling is the #1 cause of air and water pollution. And when we recycle, we can almost stop all mining and drilling. Recycling saves energy by not using fossil fuels. And fossil fuels are the #1 cause of wasted energy. If we stopped using fossil fuels, our world would be beautiful. Recycling is very easy. All you're doing is just throwing paper or cardboard or plastic in a recycling bin. We don't really do much. At the factories, recycled materials are collected and processed and made into new things eventually. You can recycle so many things. Paper, cardboard, glass bottles, rigid plastic products, metal containers, and certain food waste. You can make recycling a lot easier by searching in your house and seeing what you can recycle, making collections and sorting systems, and doing your research. Very quick and easy research. Now I'll talk to you about the benefits of recycling. You can make a very big difference by recycling. Recycling reduces waste in landfills and saves so much energy, like I talked about before. If we don't recycle, we're just damaging the environment, and we're wasting our resources. Recycled plastic can be turned into sleeping bags, backpacks, and carpeting. Plastic bottles can be turned into storage containers, shopping bags, robes, brooms, car batteries. Plastic foam packaging can be turned into insulation for buildings and picture frames. And that's not even all of it. There are almost infinite possibilities for recycling. You can do so much for others, possibly giving somebody a sleeping bag if they have nowhere to sleep, or a car battery. Today I've talked to you about recycling and why you should if you're not doing it already. Recycling saves 30% of energy. 2,000 pounds of recycled paper is equivalent to planting 12 trees. And 2,000 pounds of paper sounds like a lot, but it actually goes by very fast. I mean, we use so much paper every day. Recycling isn't a big hurdle. It isn't an obstacle. It's something that you can very easily do. For instance, I'm standing in front of my desk, and I have a trash can at my desk. I also have a small bin beside of it for paper and such. It's very easy to recycle. We need to start to think about our future. We need to recycle, save energy, so we can continue to live in this wonderful and beautiful world that we live in. My sources for this speech are Recycling Guide, Veolia Energy, EcoCycle Solutions, NRDC, and Recycling Simplified.